Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video guys, we're actually going to be doing a makeup tutorial for a glam makeup look for Christmas, and only using affordable makeup products guys. Thank you so much for everyone who already subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, thank you so much for clicking this video. My name is Michelle. I actually do a lot of makeup and beauty tutorials, makeup and beauty reviews, makeup and beauty hauls, makeup beauty tips and tricks, and much more. So if you guys wanted to learn and if you wanted to save, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you guys wanted to learn how I come up with this makeup look from this to this using only affordable makeup products that are actually going to save you a lot of money and you don't have to buy the very expensive makeup, please keep on watching. Gonna put some moisturizer on my face guys. So in today's video I'll be using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost water gel just to give a little bit of hydration my face. Eye serum, and I'm using the Pearl Essence Lift and Contour Eye Serum. I've actually purchased this from TK Maxx. And these under my eyes because it's very important that you actually need to to prep your skin that is suitable to your skin type. And that way your makeup actually will last longer. Lips, I'll be applying the Camex lip balm, and I've got it in the watermelon. Leave this on my lips. So the makeup that I'll be using today guys, they are actually all affordable, and I will list all the products that I'll be using today down in the description box below guys. Shadow palette I'll be using today, it's not gonna leave any fallout on my face. We're actually gonna start with the base, so I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Prep face primer. I'll be applying this all over my face using a patting motion. Camo correcting cream in Apricot, so I'll just be using this to actually correct my dark circles. Using the Maybelline Dream Urban cover, and this is in the shade Natural Beige. With the sponge I'll be using the E.l.f. Sponge, and it's got a very lightweight formula, also doesn't oxidize on me. It's actually buildable guys. Concealer I'll be using the E.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer, and I've got it in the shade Light Beige. I use a setting spray guys before I set the base with powder. The Flower Beauty Seal the Deal long lasting setting spray. Want to make sure that our base stays on whole day. Setting my under eyes and my T-zone area using the E.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder. My face I'll be setting it using the Australis Fresh and Flawless Press Powder. This is in the shade Medium Tan. Bronzing my face using the Visions Formula Butty Bronzer, Moru Butter Bronzer, and this is in the light bronzer shade. Okay, with the brush I'll be using the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill, and this is the number 13. contour my nose using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill number 37. Going to be applying an highlighter first before the blush. I'll be using the Wet n Wild highlighting powder. This is the Mega Glow. It's the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill number 07. And then with the blush, I'll be using the Milani Baked Blush, and this is in the shade Corallina. I'll be using is the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill number 12. All the brush I'll be using is from Morphe collaboration with Jaclyn Hill, guys. So the one that I'll be using for my brows is the number 49. So I'm just gonna brush my brows first. And the products I'll be using for my brows from Maybelline products, guys. So I've got the I've actually got the Brow Ultra Slim pencil here, guys, and this is in the shade Deep Brown, and the Tattoo Brow Pomade from Maybelline, and this is in the shade Medium Brown, and the Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpt. This is the eyebrow gel in clear to set my brows. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna line my brows. Then I'm gonna fill in my brows with that with the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Pomade. Then I'm just gonna set my brows using that Maybelline brow gel. Just want to make sure that my brow stays on whole day. The eye primer, I'll be using the Essence I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base. Okay, and then we're just gonna set with that loose powder that we've used earlier. The eyeshadow palette I'll be using today, guys, this is the W7 Blazing eyeshadow palette. So that's how it looks like, guys. I'll be using the brush 50, I think this is 50. Let's start with the darker shade, guys. Okay, because we're gonna be doing a glam look, so probably gonna go with this shade here, guys, here. So I'm just going to pack this in my lid, guys. Actually testing out a lot of W7 makeup, guys. So there's actually a lot of good and not so good W7 products, guys. So this one is actually one of the good ones, but I'm going to keep you updated, guys. I will do a separate video on that, guys. So I'm just bringing this up a little bit higher, as you can see. Swiping motion. just helping to diffuse that color as close as possible to my brow bone. I'll be applying this under my eyes, just whatever's left. Taking the brush 35, just want to diffuse more of this shade here. Brush 41, I'm going to use this shade here, guys. I'm just going to press this product in on my outer corner, and I'm just gonna bring this in above my crease. My concealer, just gonna do like a small cut crease. A shimmer shade here, guys. The shade here of the concealer, brush 51, and then I'm just taking that darker brown shade just to diffuse a little bit of that shimmer shade, just making sure they've actually blends together. And then I'm just going back with that black shade, and then I'm just applying this really close to my lower lash line. And then I'm just taking a pencil brush and just needed to darken that where we cut the cut crease. Then I'm just taking a pencil brush, guys, and this is the number 52, and then I'm just taking in this shade here, guys, putting that shade just on the outer V on top of that darker brown shade. Another pencil brush, guys, at 39. Okay, guys, the second shade here. I'm also going to be applying this on my inner corner. Is on my brow bone. And I'm just about to finish doing my eyes, guys. And then on top of you know where I applied the shimmer here, guys, I'll be putting this on top of this shimmer shade that I applied earlier, and this is the E.l.f. glitter eyeshadow, I think it's called liquid glitter eyeshadow, and I think I've got it in a copper pop shade. So if you guys haven't tried this liquid glitter eyeshadow from E.l.f, guys, you should, guys, get it. So I'm just applying this also on my inner corner. Okay, I'm just gonna curl my lashes. Maybelline the falsies, guys. This is the Maybelline the falsies lash lift. Just gonna apply this first on my upper lashes. Then the liquid liner is the Revolution, this one here, guys. The skinny mini Australis mascara, guys, is for the lower lashes. Using the Nikia Joy Cosmetics lashes in the Glamour set. conceal. I'm going to be applying a black liner on my upper waterline, and I'll be using the Flower Beauty. This is in the Onyx shade. And on my lower waterline, I'll be applying the NYX metallic eyeliner in the shade Rose Gold. Okay, so we've done with the eyes, so now we're gonna go on with the lips. So I'll be using the lip liner. I'll be using the Rimmel, and this is the lasting finish, and then this is in the shade Red Dynamite. These are Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink, and this is in the shade Ruler. Guys, we're gonna set the makeup. There you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope I've actually did help you out today. I know it gets pretty expensive when it comes to makeup, so you guys actually don't need to buy very expensive makeup, and that's why I've actually created this video for you guys, and that way you'll be able to save money using only affordable products. This video, guys, I've actually got them all listed down the description box below. I'm actually affiliated with Amazon, guys, so it means I'll be getting a small portion of commission when you actually decided to use those links to buy the products that I've used today's video, guys. Really wishing everyone a Merry Christmas, guys, and wishing everyone a happy and safe Christmas. Let me know, guys, what video you want to watch next. You know, it will actually really be helpful if you let me know what video you love watching, guys. And thank you so much for everyone who already subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you wanted to see more of my future videos, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button. And please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you guys.